This which is exposed. There are no operations covering more than this region.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. Are you investigating for today?
By nature, I'm optimistic, but let me tell you, Italian show. But the other, who want to cross,
Sanctions.
very clear. Oh, let's say that and wait for the announcements at the end of this week.
Commissioner Provo. Nice to see you again.
Benjamin, how are you?
Thank you.
Very nice.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.